Hey guys, it's raining here in Leitchfield, Kentucky, and this will be going on both of my channels, my Storm Chaser 2000 and my Tornado Boy 200 channel. I'm just going to do just a very short video of the rain. Still recording. We are currently heading either south, we're heading west on 62, I believe. Waypoint 04. Pause.
There ain't no sense in it being like
okay, the camera's back on. We apparently when you push the button, you mess it up, apparently. We are still driving into Leitchfield. So we're gonna check the. No, we're not checking no forecast. No, we cannot check the forecast because I don't have a map with me. We are still heading west on 62. There's the Grayson County Water Tower up there. What? Yeah, they can. Yeah, they can. Yeah, they can because my headphones is up all the way. It did last time. Regardless of what Casey says, they hear me. Pause the camera right now. And we are still heading west. This will go up on both of my YouTube pages. And by the way, guys, all I've been listening to all day is my weather radio go off from 5:45 this morning to 2 o'clock this afternoon, and it drives me crazy when that thing goes off all the time. And that is honestly ridiculous. And it didn't even go off for us. I think I'm gonna start YouTubing from now on. It's gonna be moved from like every other week to every other day of the week. Where I videotape today, miss tomorrow, and videotape Sunday, like that. Alright guys, this is it for my video game channel, which is Tornado Boy 200, and my weather channel, Storm Chaser 2000. So I've got 2 channels now. If you are watching from my video game channel side, Tornado Boy 200 side, check out my second channel, Storm Chaser 2000. And if you're watching from my Storm Chaser 2000 side, check out my first channel, Tornado Boy 200. Alright, bye guys.